Hi.
Hi, we are the Johan's World. Welcome again to our YouTube channel. Tadi kita buat unboxing of all the Le Creuset punya cast irons and stoneware daripada UK, just arrived.
We have 4 box.
Okay, 4 box. 1 big one and 3 small ones. Yang ini pun LC juga, Le Creuset, tapi special edition, quite rare, Star Wars punya special collection.
You're supposed to put it right here, and then you put it right here, and then you put it right here.
Okay. Good job. Okay, yang kecil ni adalah mini cocotte. Ni semua adalah Star Wars punya special limited edition. Stoneware ada 3. Okay, Amal letak tepi kejap Okay, and then we have ni datang dengan shipment yang baru sampai kemarin. Ini datang earlier tapi kita simpan tak pakai lagi sebab nak tunggu adik-beradik dia datang. Okay, yang ini
Let's see.
ini cast iron. So you boleh tengok cast ni berat sikit lah. So tengok ni So Star Wars. Ini adalah ni tulisan ni apa ni Imran?
This is just symbols. This on any necklace.
Okay, so ni Star Wars Le Creuset. Okay, Le Creuset kat sini. Ni Darth Vader. It's quite heavy. Nanti bila kita dah keluarkan barulah tengok. Nampak Darth Vader. Darth Vader.
Can I see? Can I see?
Okay.
Darth Vader.
Yeah.
I know.
Darth Vader yang ini size dia 26 cm. Round 26 cm. Okay, Star Wars ni cast iron dia ada dia punya collection ada 2 cast iron dia. Satu bentuk ni. Okay. Ni dia punya okay.
Whoa, is that?
So, this is the lid.
Wait, Mama.
Sister, I nak duduk dekat dengan this is the lid.
Let's put it on this one. Let's try.
Nantilah satu. This is the lid. You can see Darth Vader punya mask kat situ.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you can see. So, knob dia pun dia matchkan everything. Okay.
And then what next? What next?
So, writing dia Le Creuset still kat sini.
It says
Le Creuset.
Le Creuset. Huh?
Okay.
What is Le Creuset?
Le Creuset is the name of the periuk brand.
For your
Okay.
brand? What is
You
for
like
your brand?
you like to read this one instruction kan? Okay. Okay. This is jet black. Oh, super heavy. Tulis kat bawah je.
Maybe we got this one.
Dalam
Mama.
pun black animal animal in animal. So,
Maybe you
dah
have
pusing kat sini.
this one.
Yeah. So this is 26 cm. All black. Special order. Okay. Writing ni apa? Explain sikit Imran.
I will bash. I do not know how to decode. I will mash. I will bash. You put down.
So LFL ni apa? LFL.
LFS, that's just the copyright, right?
Yeah. So this is 26 cm. This is 26 cm there. France. This is
I will mash. I will bash.
apa tu?
The Star Wars official language.
Star Wars official language. Sebab. Okay. And then yang ni apa?
The Imperial logo.
This is the Imperial logo. Imperial meaning Darth Vader is Imperial.
That is the Imperial Army.
Imperial Army lah, the one that Darth Vader
Uh.
is with. Okay, so this is the
Mama,
Imperial Army.
look.
So LC ni not just for mummies, because my kids, my family love Star Wars, so I thought nak buat surprise and ordered this one. I ternampak dekat ada promotion tapi dia dah kira dah habis, dah very limited.
Now we
So
open. We are gonna open.
kita habiskan cerita ni dululah. So I contacted yang my personal shopper dekat UK tu, dan dia carikanlah ke hulu ke hilir, dia carikan this set for me, kena masuk Amazon lah apa-apa semua. So dia dapat manage to secure this for me satu. Tu pun kena queue and what not lah. But I think this still macam signature. Besar dia punya handle, macam lebih besar daripada biasa. So senang nak carry. So belum pakai lagi walaupun dah dapat few months sebab tunggu adik-beradik dia datang. This is nice. Do you like this, Imran?
Also.
Can I try to see me?
Hmm?
No, I'm talking to Jaja.
Okay. So happy
No,
dapat
see
secure this
aku.
one. Okay, lagi satu yang ada cast iron. Cast iron ni lagi bentuk dia colour pink and like blue semua. Dia macam ada it's at the Tatooine planet. Tatooine planet tu apa?
Tatooine is a desert planet.
Kau punya lah, same lah. Tatooine planet dia design Tatooine planet. Ha?
But I have to get in the shot.
Tak nak, okay tak apa. Tatooine planet tapi I did not get that one sebab dia macam
Planet, they want to show us Tatooine.
It's not that fun.
Okay, ni lah assistant I.
I'm gonna show the planet of Star Wars.
Planet of Star Wars kat mana?
I don't know.
Okay, so Tatooine planet ni apa, Imran?
Where?
Come here, you come here.
The desert planet where Luke grew up in.
Come here. Desert planet where Luke grew up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Luke Skywalker.
Luke Skywalker is
Son of.
Darth Vader. Son of Anakin
Yes.
Anakin Skywalker.
Yes.
Anakin Skywalker is Darth Vader tau.
Yeah lah, Mom, spoil this.
Mama, which one is the desert?
Desert. Imran come here lah. So it's a
Desert.
Kenapa I tak beli tu sebab my husband macam kata macam cantik-cantik lah. Nanti I paste a photo of Tatooine planet tu punya design pula. Sebab dia kata macam macam tanpa stiker je gambar apa tu the moon. Okay, minta maaf lah. Inilah kalau buat video with family kat rumah santai-santai saja. Okay, so we got this also. And
Why when
ada lagi satu kalau you nak ni di roster. Roster tu rectangle.
why when the same shirt on your team? You know the game the tragic.
Oh yeah, no. Okay. That one pakai t-shirt lain. This one different t-shirt. I should have worn this one. Okay. Lagi satu yang dia ada roster. Roster tu nanti I post juga gambar lepas ni. Roster tu roster tu nampak macam Han Solo dah mati, try to get out of the casket. So pun I tak beli yang tu. Saya beli yang ini aja. Tapi kalau you guys are interested, go ahead. Okay. So sekarang ni mini cocotte. So mini cocotte, kelang kabut sikit. Kelang kabut sikit. Apa nama?
What?
Video kali ni sebab assistant I nak duduk belah sini dan dia busy sangat. Dia excited sangat dengan Star Wars punya collection ni. Okay. So mini cocotte ni pun dia ada 3 jenis. Dia on apa droid Imran
Droids, yeah?
Ya,
Mama,
droid.
Mama, let's pick them. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the tail. If you hold it, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Okay, start yang ni. So start yang ni, ini mini mini mo. Yang ini dia tulis BB-8.
BB-8?
Aha.
Where BB-8?
Tak payahlah pergi situ dia. Adik duduk sebelah sini mau tunjuk.
Get on the shot.
But I cannot see.
Yelah sinilah BB-8.
It's just
Mini cocotte round BB-8.
what?
Okay lah. I know that this is not the best video,
BB-8.
YouTube video, unboxing
Oh, yeah.
video. So you guys layan je lah kan. This is for fun. I just want to show you. Macam you guys dah biasa tengok Le Creuset yang normal, different colour.
And Mama, it says C3PO.
Nantilah belum start lagi. You ruin the surprise.
R2D2.
Yeah. So these are all, the mini cocotte are all, dia ada 3. All the droids. Mini cocotte for the droids. So yang ini dikata apa tadi? BB-8. BB-8 is the latest droid Dekat dalam movie ni nama apa?
First introduced in The Force Awakens.
Mama, what's that?
First introduced in Force Awakens. Couple of years back. Yang ada Kylo Ren tu.
What is it, Mama? What is it?
I was a child.
Oh!
BB-8 ni.
Let's try.
Reflection.
Well, let's try the other one.
It's your
Can you hold it, Imran? Closer.
It's not heavy.
So, jadi dia punya ring light tu.
C3PO.
Doesn't-
R2D2. Can I?
Okay, cannot. Okay, tak apa. Daripada jauh kot. So, okay. You can see the BB-8 punya ni.
Let's do more.
Okay, itu dia punya lid. Okay.
We got more.
See? Elephant ni apa?
Elephant, I think that's just the. Let me see.
Oh, Mama.
But it's Le
It
Creuset.
is copyright elephant.
But it should not be Le Creuset. It should be the...
I don't know.
Yeah, we figure out.
Maybe
Lucasfilm.
it's supposed
Ah, Lucasfilm.
Lucasfilm.
LF should be Lucasfilm or something.
I
right?
think so. So you tengok ni. So, mini cocotte. Tadi buat LC punya unboxing tak exciting pun untuk Ifan. So now like now my assistant yeah. All excited. Ni apa dek? BB-8.
Yeah, BB-8.
BB-8. So one droid mini cocotte. Okay.
And this one is C3PO.
C3PO.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's open it.
So let's open it. Okay, kita relax dek satu-satu, okay? Okay, so we open this one. C3PO. What is the color of C3PO?
Yellow. I mean
Yeah.
gold. I mean gold.
Yeah.
Gold.
Gold.
No. Yeah, it's gold because everything has to be gold.
Gold. Okay.
Oh no.
Eh,
Off my TV.
kenapa dia kata C3PO?
Mixed up the packaging.
Maybe they don't know who is CPGO.
Terbalik. Is this C3PO?
That's
Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah. Okay, what happened is that my PS the breeds.my tu she will receive and she will tengok condition semua okey ke tak okey, tapi I think so bila dia letak balik tersilap ni.
Whoa.
Okay, let my assistant do the work.
There's
Carry
no
tire.
eyes only, just like that.
So apa yang ada? Let the people see ni.
Not the eyes. It's his neck. It's his neck.
His neck
Yeah.
ada macam
Mama,
punya
there's more.
neck.
There's more.
It was like
Tapi this unboxing is different from the earlier unboxing. Yang ini macam okay. Ni apa dia punya body mana?
his neck right here.
This is my other son.
Like this little antenna thing.
Okay, dia punya apa? Contoh dia punya ni, we have the whole set. Dia punya macam ni kat neck dia. Ni kat
Mama.
neck dia.
Yes. It's
Mama,
like his chest. This
this
is his
one.
neck. Apa? You're the person who wanted me to show it.
Okay.
We're starting the.
Kita layan, let it go. Let him control this video. Okay lah. Okay, but careful. Flow
I
so
can-
far. Ni apa?
R2D2 body.
R2D2 body. Okay. R2D2 from which movie? From beginning lah kan?
From the very start.
Apa nama the first one, Imran?
The whole.
The New Hope.
I
New
am a robot from the future.
Yeah. So this is going to be your
They're almost robots. Why did they give us only robot?
droid. Yeah, droid there.
Right.
Yeah, droid.
Why did they give us droids only?
Droid sajalah. You nak apa? Droids lah baru cool. Droids are cute. So that's why they put mini cocotte ni semua ni.
Marketing.
Yeah, marketing
No,
ni Imran said.
maybe C3PO.
This is C3PO.
And
Okay, so this is chill ada chill. So this is R2D2. Careful. So now we have the three adik-beradik reflection and Darth Vader.
Maybe you're supposed to do like this.
Okay. Alright. So you can see better.
Mama,
So this is
C3PO.
yes, this one.
R2D2.
Are you sure? This is
R
BB.
8.
BB8. Okay. This one is
R2D2.
R2D2. So all these are the droids. They make it as mini cocoon. Imran, get the Trivet eh? Huh?
The what?
Poster.
The
Poster tu.
poster.
So we have Darth Vader here. And we also have
The Ghost.
the Death Star.
The Trivet.
Bukan that.
What?
That.
What's the Death
Ini
Star
dah
for?
letak. Yeah, this is actually you put here and it's hot. Kan? And it's hot. So, okay, thank you Imran for your assistance. So,
Why do you have that?
you put when it's hot and then you letaklah dekat atas ni. Okay, macam tu. Okay, let's open one. Dia ada dua actually, tapi yang lagi satu tu out of stock kot. So, yang ini adalah Death Star. Dia ada lagi satu Imperial Destroyer weh. Imperial Destroyer. Careful.
Ni.
So, okay, me kat sini. Dia put Le Creuset.
Can I see?
Yes.
Slap with the stuff. I swear.
Okay, I think that's about it.
Huh?
Sorry, it's a bit kelang kabut this video sebab he's excited. And I'm just trying to make sure tak terjatuh. Okay?
Okay.
So, say
Yeah.
don't forget, dah tercabut dah. So, tell the people if you like this, to see any more unique things that we buy from Breeds.my. Breeds.my ni, you won't see this dekat dia punya IG sebab yang ini special request. I nampak, I berkenan dan dia carikan here and there. Dia tolong get in the listing to make sure I get the make sure I get the request lah. So kalau you guys pun ada benda-benda yang out of your personal interest kan, you can request for my favourite personal shopper yang kat UK tu, and she can actually help to find them at reasonable price. So alhamdulillah, we like this Star Wars collection. Apparently adik likes it a lot. Sampai kan I nak buat video tadi ni pun macam a bit of a challenge, but you get to see that this will be we'll be using this quite often lah, since they like it so much kan. Boleh letak, kalau orang datang pun you boleh buat condiment, kalau ada event, birthday parties ke, budak-budak punya kan. So it's interesting ni. Harga you can bukan tak berani sangat nak bagi quotekan harga dia ni okey, tapi yang ni mahal sikit. Cuma sebab tak berani nak quotekan harga sebab kadang-kadang tak ada offer, kadang-kadang apa nama tu, exchange rate tu bertukar. So jadi you have to actually check with the seller lah. Dia bukan seller, dia person shopper, what is the price that she can help you get. Tapi ni queue ni susah dapat ni. Queue lama nak cari ni tiga beradik ni. Dia dapat satu, betul dapat satu. Okay, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe ya. We will have more unboxing of some of the things that I bought. Ada teapot set and some of the kitchenware juga nanti. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is a twin cast iron that we did not get sebab rasa macam simple sangat. Ini pula roaster yang Han Solo tu macam mengerikan pun, so I tak ambil. And tadi I ada cakap that it's Imperial Destroyer punya Trivet, but it's not. It's actually Millennium Falcon. So we actually ada dapat tu, tapi tengah tunggu datang daripada delivery shipment daripada UK juga. Okay, have fun and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.